down. So welcome to this particular module. You're moving right through it, first of all, and I want to say congratulations on making it this far. So in this particular module, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the best software platforms to use. So in our last module, you should have got your content strategy, your effective content strategy, so you should know how you're going to be able to create this effective content strategy and push out content. But this module, I wanted to show you how you actually can create content, because sometimes we aren't able to hire somebody, get somebody on a team that'll be in charge of creating all our content for us. So we're playing like the business owner with a few hats. We're the content creator, posting the content, creating the content, thinking of the content. We're doing everything. So I wanted to show you some effective apps and platforms that you can actually use in order to get this done in the most fast and efficient way possible. Alright, so in the last module, you already got this particular doc that talks about useful content resources. So I'll definitely recommend using them. But how I set this up was the ones that I use personally that help me out create my content, I listed first. So Buffer is a personal scheduling app that I use. And for the social media photo and editing apps, which you're going to focus on a lot in this particular module, these three softwares at the top I use on a regular day basis. Now, all these are actually really good, but I just positioned it where the ones I use, I put at the top. All right, so let's get right into it. So Inshot. Inshot is a very, very effective app that you can put on your phone that will help you create videos, create pictures, edit videos, edit pictures, and do a sea of things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch over to my phone, and I'm actually gonna show you how it works straight from my phone. So give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and switch this over. So can you see my phone? You should be able to see my phone. All right, so on my particular phone, this is Inshot. So within Inshot, what you can see, you see videos, photos, and collages. I use this a lot for video. So what we're gonna do is, if you click video, and then you see it saves all my old videos. But let's say I want to create a new one. So I go to new, right? And I'm able to pick a video that I want to edit. So let's say I wanted to edit this particular video. I'm gonna go over, click the video, and click it next. So InShot is really cool because you can actually change the canvases. So you know on different platforms, the size of the dimensions are different and different things like that. So here you go to canvas and you're actually able to switch it to what you need. So Instagram square, if I wanted to switch it there, switch it to small, TikTok, Apple. So as long as you know the dimensions of wherever you're trying to post it, which I'm going to give you, then you can switch it to whatever you need it to be. And then, so like, let's say if I wanted to click it for Instagram, I can go over, I can even change the background. So if I wanted to make it black background, red background, if I wanted to blur the background, change it to something funky, colorful. And this is all on the free version, guys. So like, let's say if I go here, change it. So like, let's say I just keep it white. So you can also go with any type of video. You can add music to it. So if you go to tracks, you can extort a track from a video, import a track, or they have pre-made tracks on here. I'm not going to play them, but they're typical music. You can buy stuff from iTunes if it's on your phone, your different effects that you can add to it that make sound. So you can do all that on InShot. InShot is also really cool because you can add text. So you know the different videos that have text, you can add text. So if I wanted to add like Jabriel Allen, that's my full name, by the way, and I wanted to add that there, I can sit it there. If I wanted to change the color, all I do is I would go to edit, and then once I click edit, I would click here. I can change the color of it if I wanted to. I can change the borders, shadow, if I needed a shadow in the background, a label, change the size of the label. I can do all this on InShot. If I wanted to make this longer, and I click this, I can make it as long as I want. If I want my name to stay on the video the whole time, or maybe I want to cut it off after a certain amount of seconds, I can do that. All this is done on InShot. You can change effects. So if you wanted to edit the video, change the different colors. This is where the pay version kind of comes in. You can do these different cool things like this, but when it comes to some of them, you have to pay for them as you go. But this is actually new because I don't even think you have to pay for this. I didn't even know that, so this is new. This is a really cool feature. See? So yeah, this is Inshot. You can do all these things. So like you see, like unlock, that's when you have to start paying for the different things. And you go back. So this is a video. This is again Inshot, a video app where you can do all these different things, edit your videos, change anything about your videos. If you wanted to add another video after this video, you would just have the video right there, and you can click that button. And if you go to video, you can add another video after that video. If I wanted it to be a picture, I can add a picture. So you can add whatever you like, make it as long as you like on Inshot. And this is a free app that you can use to create content. So that's Inshot.